MOORIM Paper specializes in industrial printing paper. MOORIM Paper is not a company simply producing paper, but a company that creates values to enrich our daily lives, including arts and culture through paper. Because MOORIM Paper utilizes high-end equipment and a system that provides the fastest production speed at 1,450 meters per minute and has the capability to produce 400,000 tons per year of quality printing paper, MOORIM Paper was recognized as having the world's highest paper productivity for 6 consecutive years. MOORIM Paper's paper machine uses the latest hybrid former and boasts a maximum speed of 1,500 meters per minute. It is capable of producing paper with a width of up to 3,600 millimeters and a basis weight of between 45 grams and 248 grams. MOORIM Paper's coating device has a maximum speed of 1,800 meters per minute, and it is capable of processing paper with a width of up to 3,525 millimeters and a basis weight of up to 400 grams. In addition, MOORIM Paper is fully equipped with the latest technology such as a super calendar to adjust smoothness, a rewinder to cut paper width, a cutter to cut paper into various sizes, and an automated ream wrapping machine. Based on these facilities, MOORIM Paper is now leading the industrial printing paper market. MOORIM Paper produces various types of paper. The main products include industrial paper for general commercial printing, NeoStar Gloss, Silk, and Delight. Specialty paper for daily life usage, NeoStar Label, Power Label, Green Release Paper, and Power Shopping Bag. Paper poured products, NeoStar MMB, Beauty Pack and MGB, and a variety of digital printing paper, Pro Digital and Pro Digital Night. MOORIM Paper is striving to improve people's lives with the company's developed paper-making technology. MOORIM SP is the mill that produces highly valued specialty paper. MOORIM SP produces high-tech paper that is used in products that make our lives convenient and comfortable. Utilizing over a half-century's paper-making expertise, MOORIM SP produces more than 70 different types of highly valued paper that is not limited to industrial, information, and commodity paper. MOORIM SP's paper machine boasts a maximum speed of 500 meters per minute. It is capable of producing paper with a width of up to 2,275 millimeters and a basis weight of up to 400 grams. MOORIM SP's CCP coater is capable of processing paper with a width of up to 2,240 millimeters and a basis weight of up to 400 grams. Along with the paper machines and the coater, MOORIM SP is also equipped with a super calendar to adjust paper smoothness, a rewinder to cut paper width, and a cutter to cut paper into various sizes. With the combination of precise equipment and MOORIM's own deep insight of papermaking, MOORIM SP produces a variety of high-quality special functional paper. MOORIM SP produces various types of paper. The main products include industrial paper, Neo CCP, TMB, MGB, and fireproof paper, specialty paper, Renoir, Neo Galaxy, Clean Pack, ice cone paper, drawing paper, and non-fluorescent wood-free paper, and information paper, Neo Security paper, ballot paper, gift certificate paper, and billing paper. MOORIM SP is opening up a new future for the Korean paper industry. With its endless growth potential and state-of-the-art paper manufacturing technology. Korea's first and only pulp and paper integrated mill, MOORIM P&P. MOORIM P&P produces the best quality eco-friendly paper, from fine fibers with its unique pulp and paper manufacturing technology that allows for the creation of the products that adds value to our lives. The nation's first integrated pulp and paper mill, MOORIM P&P, founded in 2011, introduced a new archetype for an all-in-one pulp production to paper manufacturing system to the industry. The MOORIM P&P integrated mill consists of 3 facilities. The first is a pulp mill that produces bleached kraft pulp from wood chips. The second is a power plant that retrieves black liquor from the pulp production process and turns it into energy. And the third is a paper mill that receives raw pulp and steam energy through a pipe connected to the pulp mill. MOORIM P&P's integrated system includes Pulp Mill 1, which has a 4-denier paper machine that produces about 110 bales per hour with a pulp width of 3.6 meters, and Pulp Mill 2, which has a twin-wire paper machine that produces about 160 bales per hour with a pulp width of 4.8 meters. The pulp mill at MOORIM P&P is the only one of its kind in Korea and produces 450,000 tons a year of low-carbon bleached kraft pulp from broadleaf trees. Major facilities of the plant include a paper machine that can produce the largest available wire and paper widths in Korea at a maximum speed of 1,450 meters per minute. MOORIM P&P's coater is capable of processing paper with a width of up to 8.65 meters and has a maximum speed of 1,600 meters per minute. MOORIM P&P is also fully equipped with the latest technology such as 2 super calendars to adjust smoothness and enhance the glossiness, a rewinder to cut paper width, 6 cutters to cut paper into various sizes, and 8 automated ream wrapping machines that are capable of packing up to 1,000 millimeters wide and 1,400 millimeters high. The MOORIM P&P all-in-one plant produces coated paper such as NeoStar Gloss, NeoStar Silk, NeoStar Leaflet, NeoStar Coat, and NeoStar S+, as well as uncoated paper such as NeoStar Uncoated Paper and NeoStar Ivory. In any purpose of usage, MOORIM's paper stands out due to its use of high-quality pulp fiber. In addition, MOORIM P&P boasts a quick and accurate logistics system that allows for deliveries anywhere in the world. As the only company in Korea with an integrated pulp and paper mill, MOORIM P&P is making a new milestone in the history of the Korean paper industry. Now, with good quality, cost-saving, and eco-friendly printing paper, MOORIM P&P is making its footprint to be a global pulp and paper company.